On this video for Core 1 CNC Plasma, we'll be creating a simple but complex part using Viacad and then cutting it out. First, you're going to want to open up Viacad. We're going to be creating a rear trailing arm. So first, we're going to want to select our square tool. You will see on the left hand side there's many different tools here, and if you click and hold down, all of the other types of tools and polygons will come up. And we'll do this for every single tool. So first we're going to use our square tool. Let's do a 4 by 15 square. Next, what we're going to want to do is draw our lines. These lines are going to make our shape. So we're going to basically take a line here, from here to here, to the midpoint, a line from here to here. Now, we could take and delete these two lines. Basically, you just click on the line, hit backspace to delete it. And now we're going to take our radius tool. We'll try a radius of 1/2 inch. You're going to want to click on this line, and then click on this line. And then you're going to want to click this line to this line, this line to this line. Now we have our radiuses. Now we're going to take and put a 1/2 inch hole on this end. So we're going to click, hold down. We're going to go to our single line, 1 point circle. We're going to type in 0.5. Now we're going to take and put our 1/2 inch circle in the center of this radius. Next, we're going to set this for a 2.5 inch pipe, as if you were to weld this onto an axle or whatever you would. So we're going to want to make a 2.5 inch circle, put it on our midpoint. Then what we could do is come over here to our center point arc. We're going to click once in the center, click on 2.5 inch mark right here, swing it around up to here. And now we can take our selection tool and delete these two lines, and then we're going to take this line, connect it from here to here, connect it from here to here. Now to give it some little bit of a better look, we could take it, put a couple circles down through here. The best way to do that is just to take and draw a center point line, and then we'll just do a 1.5 inch circle. We'll set it right here. We'll set one over here, and then we can drop it down to a 1 inch circle. Someone right there. Maybe we take and delete this line. And now there's our arm. Now if we want to send this out to be cut, we're going to go up to File, Export. We're going to export as a DXF, version R12, file units inches. We'll hit OK. We're going to save this to our desktop. Name it rear arm. I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now this is when we're going to go to our Plasma CNC software. We're going to open that up. Come up here to Import. Click on that. We're going to click right here to bring in a file. Desktop. There's our rear arm right here. We're going to open that up. So there's our part right here. We're going to hit Import. And now you can see we have my minicam on, so it's automatically seeing. This is going to be the first, second, third, fourth, and then the last cut. Now for your lead in and lead out, we usually keep ours at 0.2. It's a pretty good lean in and lead out, which is right here. Your kerf width, which is going to be your tip offset, that's going to be the width that the plasma cutter cuts out. We usually leave that at right around 0.4 to 0.545. After that, what we could do is hit OK. And now it's in the program. So now we're going to use the arrow keys on our keyboard to move our gantry where we're going to want to start, which is going to be the bottom left of your piece of material, or the bottom left of your free material that has not been cut. After you've moved it there, you're going to want to hit 0 the position. So now our position is zeroed. We're going to 0 our Z. For this, we're going to be using 1/4 inch. So we're going to come down here, select 1/4 inch. Now we can just hit start. You can see it's going to move to the first cut. Pierce, it's going to cut it out. Move to second cut. Third cut. And lastly, fourth cut. And we'll finish off with the radius on the outside. And now it is finishing its cut. Now you should have a part cut out. Thank you for watching.